Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Now this review I'm doing today is on the new Janet Natural Me Blowout Lace Wig HD. And here is a picture of the wig. And the name is DEEDRA, I believe. Alright. And the color is a DR gold brown. I believe that's what that stands for. Alright. So, let's unbox her. Okay. And the wig that I have on, I will also leave a video link to it at the end of this video. So be sure to check it out. The name of it is called, let's see, real quick. The name of this one I got on right here is Tamila. Okay. So be sure to check that video out as well. Alright, here go this natural, kinky, yaki, curly wig. And it's in a very beautiful color. Alright. Let's look at the cap construction. Alright. It has two combs in the front. Okay, a comb in the back and the adjustable straps. And it comes with the fixed parting. Alright. The fixed lace parting. So I will get this on and see how it's going to look. Alright. I'll be back, princesses. Don't y'all go nowhere, okay? While I'm doing this, be pressing the subscribe button if you haven't did that. Thank you. Okay, I am back with this unit. It is very, very beautiful. Okay. I like it. I don't know for sure though. I don't know for sure about the length, you know. It's cute, but it's like, it's giving me like pastor wife, first lady look at the church. I don't know, President of the United States wife, okay? I said President of the United States. This is a look that it just looked like they would wear some kind of wig like this. But it is absolutely beautiful. Okay? It is. Okay, I'm just not really into real short units. And this one ain't super duper short. But you know, she's cute. But I don't know if I would definitely step out with her. Okay, but the one I had on before, I like it better than this one. And I like the length on it, that it's longer. Okay, let's do the 360. Okay, here she is to the side, the back, and the other side. Anywho, this is a gorgeous unit nevertheless. Sure is. Okay, like I said, it has a yaki texture to it. And I'm not trimming the lace or anything like that on this video. I'm just doing y'all a show and tell, letting y'all know my thoughts on this unit. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, the color is the bomb. Okay. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment, please. I would love to know y'all thoughts on this unit. Thank you all for watching Princess Beauty TV. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.